Dear students, welcome to physics class, and today we will discuss how to solve numericals based on energy and power. So here I have taken one question, and the question is, an electric motor takes 5 ampere from a 220 volt line. Determine the power of the motor and energy consumed in 2 hours. So the first thing that we have to write whenever we are solving the numerical is the portion given. Whatever is given in the question, we have to write all those quantities. So an electric motor takes 5 ampere. So directly it is not written that it is current. So from units we will identify that quantity that given to us is current. So here I equals to 5 ampere from a 220 volt line. So this is potential. Volt is the unit of potential. So V is 220 volt. Determine the power of the motor and energy consumed in 2 hours. So time is given as 2 hours. So we have to convert hours into seconds because ampere is the SI unit of current, volt is the SI unit of potential, but hour is not the SI unit of time. So we have to convert it into SI units. So time is 2 into 3600 seconds. So it becomes 7200 second. Now we have all these values. Now we have to find out what things are asked. So the first thing is power and energy consumed. So we have to find out power and energy consumed. So we know that formula is for power is V into I. So V is given, I is given. So potential is 220 into I is 5, and it comes out to be 1100 watt. Watt is the SI unit of power. So, or we can also write it as 1100 upon 1000. It becomes 1.1 kilowatt. You can express your answer in watt also or in kilowatt also. Now the second thing that is asked is we have to find out energy. So we know that energy, for energy we can do V into I into T or power into T. Okay, so power we have found, power is 1100 watt. So power is 1100 into time is 7200 seconds. So 7200. So after multiplying it, 0 0 0 0, 11 2s are 22, and 2 11 7s are 77 to 79. Okay, so this is the final answer how to find out the energy consumed in 2 hours. Okay, so this energy comes out to be in joules. Sometimes it is also asked that find out the energy consumed in kilowatt hour. In that case, for kilowatt hour, if we want to find out the energy in kilowatt hour, so it is power into time. Power we will use the units of power as kilowatt and time as hour. So kilowatt means 1.1 into, in hours the time is 2 hours, so 2. So it comes out to be 2.2 kilowatt hour. This is the commercial unit of energy, and if in kilowatt hour then it is 2.2 kilowatt hour, and if we want to find out in joules, in SI units, then this is the answer. So that is how we can find out energy or power from the given values. Now we will take into consideration one more numerical. So one more question that I am taking is, an electric heater of resistance 8 ohm draws 15 ampere from the mains for 2 hours. Calculate the rate at which the heat is developed So rate at which heat is developed means we have to find out rate of development of heat, rate of energy development, rate of energy developed is equals to electrical energy consumed, so rate of consumption of energy. So basically here we are supposed to find out power. So see what things are given to us. Resistance, it is given as 8 ohm, then current 15 ampere, then time 2 hours. So resistance 8 ohm, I 15 ampere, and time is 2 hours. So we will convert it into seconds, so 7200 seconds. Now we have to find out the heat. So for here we will use the formula for heat as I square RT. Now we will put the values of I, R and T. So here it is I square means 15 ampere, so 15 square into R is 8 ohm and time is 7200 seconds. So when we multiply it, we will get some values. So better if we find out power in the same manner. So power is heat produced upon time taken. So heat produces 15 square into 8 into 7200 upon time is 7200 seconds. So it will cancel out. So here I am getting 15 into 15, 225 into 8. So it comes out to be 1800 watt. Okay, so here we have found the power in this way, or we can also write it as 1.8 kilowatt. Okay, so this is how we can solve the questions based on power consumption or energy produced. Thank you.